Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So guys, to start off this video, I'd like to ask you one simple question. Who is here that haven't ever tried the AI before, such as the Chat GPT or the Gemini, DeepSeek, Blackbox, etc.? So guys, in this video, I'd like to share you how to use the Gemini. So to start off, please don't forget to install this Gemini first. And since I am using the Android phone, then you can install it from the Play Store. Or if you are the user of iOS, aka the iPhone, then you can install it first from the App Store. So guys, the Gemini itself can be mentioned or can be called as the multimodal AI because it won't on, only help you to generate your or answer your question or help your work from the text here, but also from the speech and speech here and but also from your files, picture or video that you would like to analyze. So as you can see here, this is the look of the home page of the Gemini AI. And for the information that this Google also integrate this Gemini into the several ecosystem, such as in the Google Workspace that will help you, let's say, to create or draft the email and also edit it, and also it will help you to provide the on the go in the Google Chrome, so it will help you easily direct you into the browser, and also it will help you integrate it in the Google Maps, so it will summarize the information about the places that you have visited before. And how to use this AI? Well, the simple thing that you can do is you can start off to ask, or in the another thumb you can type the prompt that you would like to ask about. Let's say, for example, I will ask about, can you give me the road map for the beginner to learn about digital marketing in a year? And you can just click this generate. Then, as you can see, this AI will help you to give the comprehensive answer about the how to learn the digital marketing from the beginner, and it will also help you to give the comprehensive information here. Let's say from the understanding of the basic, the tools and resources, actionable steps, and also the step by step following the how much the month to, and what to do in that month itself, and also the strategy. And it is very complete, guys. Regarding about the prompt, so here I will also give you the tips to create the effective prompting. So the first thing you need to do is create the specific prompt. Let's say in the initial you would like to ask about the digital marketing, but it is very common to understand, then you need to be specific about what you would like to ask. For example, here, can you give me the roadmap for the beginner to learn about the digital marketing. This can be the one of the effective question that you would like to ask to this AI. And also, don't forget to give the context. As you can see here, this in a year can be the context to help you learn about digital marketing. And also, it is not about the time, but can be the context of the place. And also, you can define to give the format, or in another word, you can ask the Gemini to create this result to become in the poem, let's say in the poem format, or in the paragraph, or in a table. And also, you can set the tone. Let's say you would like to have the result in the formal or casual tone. And you can also give the example. And the last but not least is you can refine this question or refine this answer from the Google or the Gemini itself. Let's say if you would like to revise about this question, I will simply copy it. And let's say I will continue to a year, and can the people from the social science background have the job of in digital marketing fields? Then you can generate it, and it will also give you the another answer that you have been or that you have refined before. So guys, please don't forget to try it and explore more about the AI, and I believe that it can be beneficial for you and for your work. That's all guys. I hope this video finds you helpful, and don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.